if I'm sounding a bit weird, it's because I decided to get sick right before my trip. I have arrived in Bali. We are in our first villa of the week. Check it out. Actually kind of cute. I am like so out of the know of what is going on, but I guess it's a learning experience, new culture, and that's why we're here. Check that out. Private pool. We don't have too much planned. It's already afternoon. Going to night markets tonight, and that's about it really. One issue I've had already is the zips on my suitcase broke when picking up my suitcase, so I'm gonna have to get a new suitcase. Other than that, other than being sick, it's cool. Is day 2. This is how I start my morning. So today our first stop on our second day is Bali Zoo. This bird here, not giving a fuck, all in black. That's literally you as a bird.
Look at these two.
Going at it. That's us. That's literally us. We play fight, but we love each other.
Hello, Peter. Peter, wake up.
Jamie, what sound does it make?
Hakuna Matata, whatever for free. Hakuna Matata, ain't no passing craze.
Hey buddy. Hey kitty cat. Now on a little shuttle bus to the other half of the zoo. Are you having fun?
Yeah. Having so much fun. We're on top of a shuttle bus.
Guys, are you having fun?
Yes.
Yeah. It's cool.
Andrew seemed a little unsure. Yeah? I think so.
Yeah?
There was a question mark there.
Are you glad you have a parent who loves to take you out to places?
I'm hoping I get an ice block later.
Okay, we'll see. You were misbehaving a bit on the driver,
Yeah.
so we'll see how it goes.
When do we get to see the monkeys freaking?
That all you want to see?
Just want to see monkeys freaking.
I don't know what this is, but that's the thing. So we just went up this lift to get a big bird's eye view. Whoa!
That is trippy.
It's actually terrifying.
Holy shit.
Maximum 10 people, so we're alright.
That's where the big waterfall was.
What if I start jumping?
Can you not? Here we go, guys. This is what it looks like from up high.
Look, I'm doing a wave.
Child. These two are trying to recreate this statue.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you're technically meant to be standing on his shoulders, but okay.
Okay.
Our next stop was at Gajah Temple, also known as the Elephant Cave. Here you can see we purchased our sarongs in order to enter. Thank you. Oh, they have fish in there. The cave is covered in lots of menacing faces that were made to scare off evil spirits. They believe the cave was dug out by hand.
Would you do that?
And you can enter inside the temple to pray. We entered to have a quick glimpse. And here's where the monkey decided to steal from me. But you'll have to wait for next week's episode to see exactly what happened. Sorry guys, but thanks for watching.